Microexpressions are fleeting facial expressions that occur involuntarily and often reveal a person's true emotions, typically lasting for just a fraction of a second, usually around 1/25th to 1/15th of a second. These expressions occur spontaneously and are difficult to control, making them a reliable indicator of genuine feelings, even when a person is trying to conceal or suppress their emotions. Here's a detailed explanation of microexpressions. Origins. Microexpressions were first studied and coined by psychologist Paul Ekman, who conducted extensive research on facial expressions and emotions. Ekman identified 6 universal emotions that are expressed through facial expressions: happiness, sadness, anger, surprise, fear, and disgust. These emotions are recognized across different cultures, suggesting a biological basis for facial expressions. Involuntary nature. Unlike deliberate facial expressions, microexpressions occur involuntarily and are often outside of conscious awareness. They can reveal a person's true feelings, even when they are trying to conceal or manipulate their emotions. For example, someone may smile politely during a conversation, but briefly display a microexpression of disgust when discussing a particular topic. Duration. Microexpressions are incredibly brief, lasting only a fraction of a second. They occur so rapidly that they are often missed by the naked eye. However, with training and practice, individuals can learn to recognize and interpret these fleeting expressions more effectively. Emotional content. Microexpressions typically convey intense and genuine emotions. They can provide valuable insights into a person's underlying feelings, especially in situations where there may be a discrepancy between verbal and non-verbal communication. For example, a person might verbally express happiness, but display a micro-expression of sadness, indicating a hidden emotion. Detecting micro-expressions requires keen observation skills and training. Ekman developed the Facial Action Coding System, or FACS, which categorizes facial expressions based on the individual muscle movements involved. By learning to identify specific facial muscle movements associated with different emotions, observers can better recognize micro-expressions in real time. Micro-expressions have various applications, including in law enforcement, psychology, and interpersonal communication. In law enforcement, they can help detect deception during interviews and interrogations. In psychology, they provide valuable insights into emotional responses and can aid in therapeutic interventions. In interpersonal communication, understanding micro-expressions can enhance empathy and improve social interactions. While some facial expressions are considered universal, the interpretation of micro-expressions can be influenced by cultural factors. Cultural norms and display rules may impact how emotions are expressed and perceived. Therefore, it's essential to consider cultural differences when interpreting micro-expressions in cross-cultural contexts. In summary, micro-expressions are brief facial expressions that occur involuntarily and reveal genuine emotions. They provide valuable insights into a person's true feelings and can be detected with training and observation skills. Understanding micro-expressions can enhance communication, increase emotional intelligence, and aid in various professional fields.